Are you ready to switch from Windows 10? This guide will walk you through replacing Windows 10 with Linux Mint, step by step. Before we begin, we need to prepare both your Windows environment and your installation media. First, we must disable Windows 10's Fast Startup feature. This is crucial because it locks your hard drive, which prevents Linux from installing correctly. Go to Control Panel, then Power Options, and uncheck Turn on Fast Startup within the settings that are currently unavailable. Next, let's create the bootable USB drive we'll use to install Linux Mint. You need two things: the Linux Mint Cinnamon ISO file and a utility like Rufus to flash the image onto your USB drive. Plug in your USB drive, select the ISO and Rufus, and ensure the partition scheme is set to GPT and the target system is UEFI before clicking Start. With the USB ready, it's time to configure your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart your PC and repeatedly tap the BIOS key, which is often F2, F12, Delete, or Escape, depending on your computer's manufacturer. In the BIOS menu, set SATA operation to AHCI and make sure to disable Secure Boot to prevent driver conflicts. Finally, set your USB storage device as the primary boot option. Save and exit, and your computer will restart into the Linux Mint Live environment. Once the Linux Mint desktop appears, double-click the Install Linux Mint disk icon to start the installation process. Select your language and keyboard layout, and crucially, check the box to install multimedia codecs for video and website compatibility. We've reached the most important part: partitioning the drive to remove Windows 10. Select Erase Disk and install Linux Mint. A serious warning: this action will permanently delete Windows 10 and all your files on the entire hard drive. Click Install Now only when you are absolutely sure. Just a few final steps to complete the installation. Set your time zone, and then create your main user account with a strong password. Remember this password, as you'll need it for software installation and updates. The installation is finished. It's time to boot into your new operating system. Click Restart Now. When prompted, remove the USB drive and press Enter. Your computer will now boot directly into Linux Mint. Your first task should be to run the Update Manager, the shield icon in the bottom right, to ensure you have the latest security patches and drivers.